climbing rope. It holds a lot of weight. So this is the climbing wall. This is pretty simple to build. It's basically just 2x4s mounted on the wall on the back side. And those are all mounted to studs, and then these 4x8 plywood boards are mounted to those. And these you just put on before you put the 4x8 boards on. It's pretty sturdy, and it's not going to leave too many holes in your wall. And it'll hold my weight too, so the kids love it.
We got it on Amazon, and they use it all the time. They'll climb up and over, like even the 2-year-old will climb all over this thing. You can move the slide around, which they love. They love the monkey bars. It's just really great. They use it every single day. It's like a sensory bin of toys, and so it's things that they can use to calm down. So the point is that they're focusing on one smaller thing, getting their mind to focus on that while they calm down their nervous system. So we have weighted blankets, things like that. We found visual timers are really good, whether they're sand timers, like this one's 3 minutes, or this one, it's got up to 60 minutes, but they can actually see the time going away, which is great for kids who can't tell time anyway, but especially ADHD and time blindness. I mean, just all kinds of things.